So I've done my simultaneous equation. Let's see if I've done it right. Here's my equations and my two proposed solutions. First I'm going to check it manually. So I'm going to take 2 times the x value, take away 7, and that gives 0.868, my y value. So that first equation is true for those two values. Then I take 3 times my y value plus 5 times my x value, stick in the calculator, and that's close enough to 80 with rounding errors. Those two values make both equations true. I'm confident they're right. I don't bother checking the other one because if you've got one point right, then you'll have automatically got the other. The other way to check is to rewrite them so that you can stick them in your graphics calculator. So we'll stick them into graph. Here they are already written. And I draw them. G-solve, intersect, and there's my first one, minus 5134, minus 17268. That's that value. Scroll across, and I get this one, 3.934, 1.868. So the 2 points are where I expect them to be. I know I've got it right. With the more difficult questions, there's a few wrinkles, but it's basically the same process. So here we have two equations, which I've solved hopefully. Am I going to check them? Well, I can check them manually. 3 times my y value plus my x value does indeed give 2. And my x value squared plus my y value squared does indeed give 16. So I know I've done them right. I'm confident they're good. I can also graph them, but we have a bit of a problem with the y squared. When you rewrite them in this form, it does work, except that this only yields the top of the circle. But that's alright. We can exit out. We'll type in minus x over 3 plus 2 over 3 for my first line, and then square root. You have to bracket it or it's not going to work. 16 minus x squared in brackets. Let's plot them. No, done that wrong. What have I done wrong? Oh, I've done that wrong. There's my lines and my circle. I go G-solve, intersect, and I get the left hand one, minus 3.547, so I know I've done it right. If I've got one of them, then I'm sure the other one down here would work. I can actually correct it by sticking a minus in there, and when I draw it I get the bottom one. G-solve intersect gives me that value as well.